In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as important automatically in Gmail. This is really useful if you regularly get messages from a specific person, company, or service that you never want to miss. Instead of manually marking each one as important, we're going to set up a simple filter so Gmail does the work for you in the background. First, open your Gmail inbox in your browser. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar that you normally use to look for emails. On the right-hand side of that bar, there's a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines or a slider. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens the advanced search panel, which lets you be very specific about which emails you want Gmail to act on. In this panel, look for the field labeled From. Here, type the email address or name of the sender whose messages you want to automatically mark as important. For example, this could be your manager's email address, a client, or maybe a particular tool or service you rely on for work. Being as specific as possible helps make sure only the right messages are affected. If you want to narrow things down even more, look for the field called Has the Words. Click in that box and type any specific words or phrases that should appear in the email for it to count. This is optional, but it's handy if you only care about certain types of emails from that sender, like invoices, reports, or alerts. Once you're happy with your criteria, move to the bottom right of the search panel and click the button that says Create Filter. This tells Gmail that instead of just searching, you actually want to create a rule based on what you entered. A new window will appear with a list of actions Gmail can take whenever an email matches those conditions. Look for the option that says Always Mark it as important and click the checkbox next to it. This ensures that every matching email will automatically get the yellow importance marker, helping it stand out in your inbox and in any priority views you use. Finally, confirm everything by clicking the Create Filter button at the bottom of that window. Once you do this, your filter is active. From now on, any new email that meets the conditions you set will automatically be marked as important, so you can spot